The top 10% richest Indian holds how many national wealth according to the World Inequality Report 2026? The answer is 3. 65%. Who became the first woman officer to pass out from the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun on 13 December 2025 after 93 years? The answer is 1. Lieutenant Sai Jadhav. What is the world's highest motorable road built by BRO at an altitude of 19,400 feet under the Project Himang? The answer is 4. Meghla Pass, a 64-kilometer stretch on the Likaro-Meghla-Phukche road. Which day was observed annually on 16 December to mark India's decisive victory against Pakistan in the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War? The answer is 2. Vijay Divas Victory Day. Which anniversary of Vijay Divas Victory Day was celebrated across India on 16 December 2025? The answer is 4. The 54th anniversary. Which Indian state has observed its 64th Liberation Day on 19 December 2025? The answer is 3. Goa, liberated in 1961 from 451 years of Portuguese rule. What was the recorded value of India's electronics exports in the 2025 calendar year? The answer is 4. $47 billion. The IMF has approved how many emergency aid to support Sri Lanka after Cyclone Ditwa? The answer is 2. $206 million. According to the UN World Urbanization Prospects 2025, which city has surpassed Tokyo to become the world's most populous city? The answer is 1. Jakarta, Indonesia. Who was appointed as the 12th UN High Commissioner for Refugees by consensus on 1 January 2026? The answer is 4. Barham Saleh, former Iraq president. Who was appointed as the new charge d'affaires at the Afghanistan's embassy in New Delhi on 10 January 2026? The answer is 2. Mufti Noor Ahmad Noor. Which Middle East nation has witnessed a wave of protests calling for regime change since 28 December 2025? The answer is 1. Iran. Which country overtook US and topped the list by deporting 11,000 Indians in the year 2025? The answer is 1. Saudi Arabia. India and which country signed a bilateral visa waiver agreement on 17 December 2025 to facilitate official travels? The answer is 2. Saudi Arabia. The US captured Venezuela's president and his wife under which military operation on 3 January 2026? The answer is 3. Operation Absolute Resolve. Donald Trump has withdrawn the United States of America from how many international organizations as of January 2026? The answer is 2. 66 international organizations. Which anti-Trump protests took place across Greenland and Denmark in response to the US affairs on Greenland? The answer is 1. Hands Off Greenland. Who was appointed as the president and vice chairman of Meta Platforms since 12 January 2026? The answer is 4. Dina Powell McCormick, former Trump advisor. Which company became the fourth big tech powerhouse to be valued at $4 trillion on 12 January 2026? The answer is 3. Alphabet Incorporated, Google's parent company. The European Union and which South American bloc signed a major free trade agreement on 17 January? The answer is 3. Mercosur, Southern Common Market, comprising of Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. United Launch Alliance ULA has launched 27 Amazon Kuiper Internet satellites into LEO using which rocket on 16th December 2025? The answer is 2. Atlas V rocket. Manu Bhakar won which medal in senior women's 25 meters pistol event at the 68th National Shooting Championship competitions in New Delhi? The answer is 1. Gold medal. Which bill or act was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 16th December 2025 to replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005? The answer is 3. VBG Ramji Act 2025, known as the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rojgar and Ajivika Mission, Gramin Act. The VBG Ramji Act 2025 has increased the assured wage employment from 100 days to how many days? The answer is 1. 125 days. The Union Cabinet has passed which landmark bill in 2025 to merge the UGC, AICTE and NCTE into one body? The answer is 4. Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhisthan Bill. Which amendment bill passed by the Parliament of India has permitted the FDI in the Indian insurance sector from 74% to 100%? The answer is 4. The Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Bill 2025. Who became the first global leader to receive Ethiopia's highest civilian honor, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia? The answer is 1. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. President Draupadi Murmu has released the Constitution of India in which scheduled language on 25th December 2025 at Rashtrapati Bhavan? The answer is 4. Santhali language, using the Old Chiki script. What is the name of the designer of Statue of Unity, who passed away on 18th December 2025 at the age of 100? The answer is 3. Ram Vanji Sutar. President Draupadi Murmu has rejected an amendment bill to name Chief Minister as the Chancellor of which state university? The answer is 4. West Bengal. In January 2026, which type of zoonotic virus was detected at AIIMS Kalyani in West Bengal? The answer is 2. Nipah virus NIV. Which Indian state has enforced a complete ban on all forms of mental and physical punishment in schools since 15th December 2025? The answer is 2. Maharashtra. Which tiger reserve would become cheetah habitat before the next monsoon according to the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? The answer is 3. Virangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve. IIT Bombay has partnered with which company to develop advanced cooling solutions for AI data centers? The answer is 2. Vertiv. Who inaugurated Sharatchandra Pawar Center of Excellence in AI at Baramati, Maharashtra on 28 December 2025? The answer is 2. Gautam Adani, Adani Group Chairperson. What are the new airlines approved by the Government of India after the Indigo crisis? The answer is 4. All of the above, Shank Air, Al Hind Air, and Fly Express. Which Indian state or UT hosted the first international Indian-style wrestling, Dangal, on 20th December 2025? The answer is 1. Jammu and Kashmir. Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar Awards 2025 was awarded to how many young achievers or children? The answer is 1. 20 young achievers. President Draupadi Murmu presented the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar Awards 2025 to how many scientists? The answer is 2. 24 scientists, India's highest science honor. Which theatre in India set Guinness World Record as the world's largest open-air theatre in December 2025? The answer is 3. Dhanu Yatra in Bargarh, Odisha, an 11-day annual cultural festival recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records. President Draupadi Murmu undertook a sea sortie in which indigenous submarine on 28 December 2025? The answer is 3. INS Vaxia. Which country co-hosted the 10th edition of Men's T20 World Cup in 2026? The answer is 1. BCCI India and Sri Lanka Cricket. Who was appointed as the captain of India for the 2026 Men's T20 World Cup? The answer is 4. Surya Kumar Yadav. Which Indian state was the host of the 69th National School Games from 6 January? The answer is 4. Punjab. The first leg of the 6th edition of Khelo Winter Games was held in which Indian district? The answer is 2. Leh Ladakh. Who was named as ICC Men's Player of the Month for December 2025? The answer is 3. Mitchell Starc. Who won the FIDE World Cup 2025 held in Goa and became the youngest ever to win it? The answer is 3. Javokhir Sindarov, Uzbekistan. Who won the World Rapid Chess Championship title at Doha in 2025 for the 6th time? The answer is 2. Magnus Carlsen. Who won the FIDE World Blitz Chess Championship title for the 9th time in 2025 at Doha? The answer is 4. Magnus Carlsen. A joint military exercise, Desert Cyclone 2, was conducted between which two countries on 18 to 30 December 2025? The answer is 3. India and United Arab Emirates. Which 5th century-inspired engineless ship of the Indian Navy took her maiden voyage from Porbandar to Oman on 29 December 2025? The answer is 4. INSV Kaundinya. Which indigenous all-terrain vehicle ATV was unveiled by the Indian Army on the 2025 Vijay Divas? The answer is 1. Vajraka all-terrain vehicles. Which 3,500-kilometer range ballistic missile was successfully tested by India from INS Arighat in December 2025? The answer is 3. K4 SLBM, submarine-launched ballistic missile. Which 5th century-inspired engineless ship of the Indian Navy took her maiden voyage from Porbandar to Oman on 29 December 2025? The answer is 4. INSV Kaundinya. What is the first indigenously designed and constructed diving support craft DSC vessel, commissioned by the Indian Navy on 16 December at Kochi? The answer is 2. DSC A20. The first indigenously designed and built pollution control vessel commissioned by the Indian Coast Guard on 5 January was? The answer is 3. ICGS Samudra Pratap. Which Indian team won the most inspirational award at the NASA's 2025 International Space Apps Challenge? The answer is 4. Photonics Odyssey, a Chennai-based team. The European Union leaders have agreed to provide how many loan to Ukraine for the year 2026 and 2027 in December 2025? The answer is 1. 90 billion euros. The US has launched which international initiative in December 2025 to secure global supply chains for AI and semiconductor? The answer is 3. Pax Silica Initiative. NASA has lost contact with which Mars orbiter launched in 2013 since December 2025? The answer is 2. MAVEN, Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution. Who was sworn in as the 15th administrator of NASA on 18 December 2025? The answer is 3. Jared Isaacman. Donald Trump has declared which of the following as a permanent pillar of the US economic policy? The answer is 2. Tariffs. What was the new maximum tariff rate introduced by Donald Trump on 8th January to sanction Russian oil buyers? The answer is 1. 500%. Maria Corina Machado presented her 2025 Nobel Peace Prize to which of the following global leaders? The answer is 3. Donald Trump, the President of the United States. The fourth edition of 1 Billion Followers Summit was held in which country from January 9 to 11? The answer is 2. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. What was the theme of the fourth edition of 1 Billion Followers Summit held in Dubai? The answer is 3. Content for Good. The 2026 World Economic Forum annual meeting was held in which country? The answer is 2. Davos, Switzerland. Which edition of World Economic Forum was held in Davos 2026? The answer is 1. The 56th edition. What was the theme of the 56th World Economic Forum held in Davos, Switzerland? The answer is 4. The Spirit of Dialogue. Which Indian state was the host of Regional AI Impact Conference 2026 on 6 January? The answer is 3. Jaipur, Rajasthan. The Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 was held in which place from January 9 to 12? The answer is 1. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. How many pilgrims visited the holy cave shrine of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine at Trikuta Hills in 2025? The answer is 1. Over 70 lakh pilgrims, located in Jammu and Kashmir. Which renowned Indian ecologist, known for his work on the Western Ghats, passed away on 7th January 2026? The answer is 2. Madhav Gadgil. What was the value of Tamil Nadu port projects unveiled by the centre in January to boost India's maritime-led growth and strengthen operational capacity? The answer is 4. 235 crore rupees. Which system was launched by Kerala government to facilitate NRI voters to submit the necessary documents for SIR hearing? The answer is 3. Aeronet system. Which of the following became the world's fifth country to get the standard facility for solar cell calibration in January 2026? The answer is 4. India, after USA, Germany, China and Japan. How many Indian startups were registered with the government in 2025 under Startup India scheme? The answer is 1. 44,000 startups. Startup India scheme was launched in which year? The answer is 4. 19th January 2016. Which Indian state formed a study group to recommend rehabilitation measures for Agniveers in January 2026? The answer is 3. Maharashtra, led by retired Colonel Deepak Thonge. Which state cabinet approved to establish a cancer care center at Dr. Radhakrishnan Government Medical College in Hamirpur? The answer is 4. Himachal Pradesh. Which Indian state has provided PMA housing benefits to 62 lakh families over the last 9 years? The answer is 1. Uttar Pradesh. Novo Nordisk launched which type of drug in India to address type 2 diabetes burden in December 2025? The answer is 1. Ozempic, injectable semaglutide. The Indian Railways operated how many special trains during the Mauni Amavasya period from 3rd January? The answer is 3. 244 special trains. World Braille Day, celebrated annually since 2019, is observed on which date? The answer is 2. 4th January. Which day is observed as World Hindi Day every year since 2006? The answer is 4. 10th January. National Youth Day is observed every year on which date? The answer is 3. 12th January. National Youth Day is observed every year in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of which Hindu saint and social reformer? The answer is 1. Swami Vivekananda. The festival of harvest, Pongal, is annually celebrated by which Indian state? The answer is 4. Tamil Nadu. Pongal festival is celebrated for how many days? The answer is 2. 4 days. What is the name of the traditional bull taming event held during the third day of Pongal, commonly known as Mattu Pongal? The answer is 1. Jallikattu. Union Minister Amit Shah was given which honor at the Pongal event organized by the state BJP unit titled Namma Uru Modi Pongal on 5th January? The answer is 4. Purna Kumbh honor at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. What was the first space mission of ISRO in 2026 that ended in failure? The answer is 1. PSLV C-62/EOS N1. What was the new drone special force unveiled by the Indian Army for modern drone-centric warfare on 15th January in Jaipur? The answer is 2. Bhairav Special Force. The 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth was held in which country from 14th to 16th January? The answer is 4. New Delhi, India. Who scripted history by becoming the first woman fighter pilot of the Indian Navy in 2025? The answer is 3. Sub-Lieutenant Astha Punia. Which energy deal recently made UAE the second highest energy supplier to India? The answer is 2. 10-year LNG supply deal. India has surpassed which country to become the world's fourth largest economy with a size of $4.18 trillion GDP? The answer is 2. Japan. Which UN treaty has become a law on 17th January 2026 to protect marine life in international waters? The answer is 1. The UN High Seas Treaty. Which national day is celebrated every year since 2003 on 9th January to mark the contributions of Indian diaspora to India's development? The answer is 3. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, also known as Non-Resident Indian Day. The 77th Republic Day of India featured which of the following parade for the first time? The answer is 4. All of the above. Faced battle array by Indian Army, Operation Sindoor Tableau, the European Union military contingent. Which indigenous long-range missile made by DRDO was displayed for the first time at the 77th Republic Day of India in 2026? The answer is 3. Anti-ship hypersonic glide missile. Which operation was launched by Punjab Police to dismantle the gangster network and make the state gangster-free? The answer is 4. Operation Prahar. Delhi Police seized 44,862 duplicate textbook and printing machinery to protect the intellectual property rights of which educational institution? The answer is 2. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. Which of the following states observed Statehood Day on 21st January? The answer is 4. All of the above, Tripura, Manipur, Meghalaya. Which Vande Bharat train had its first commercial run between Kamakhya, Guwahati and Howrah on 22nd January 2026? The answer is 3. Vande Bharat Sleeper Express. Who became the youngest person ever to be elected as the national president of BJP in January 2026? The answer is 1. Nitin Nabeen. He is from Bihar.